removed the complete air conditioning system out of the engine bay of the AU Falcon. You can't run the serpentine belt without the air conditioning compressor pulley. There are two options. You can either remove the air conditioning compressor and replace it with an aftermarket pulley, or if you can find factory Ford air conditioning delete pulley. However, we've seen that the cheaper ones can break the mount. In the interest of saving money, we've decided to remove the air conditioning compressor and strip it out so it's only the front half of the housing, which you will see when we refit it. To remove the serpentine belt, you need a 3/8 ratchet or 3/8 extension bar. It is easier to remove the thermofans, however we managed to do it without it. So with the 3/8 socket, you will need an extension bar. You'll have to push the ratchet to the right to loosen off the self-tensioner for the serpentine belt. By removing the air conditioning system, we are saving more weight, we're getting better cooling to the radiator, and we're also hopefully gaining an extra couple of horsepower. We saved 4 kilos just in the compressor itself, and the rest of the air conditioning system was a further 6 kilo weight saving. We also removed a small amount of excess wiring, which saved a further kilo, and there was another 3 kilos in soundproofing behind the pedal box and steering column. So all up, we've saved 14 kilos.